This is how to find poor law union records on the FamilySearch website. It's a free website, but you do have to register. So first of all, you go to search and then records and scroll down to find a collection, and I'm going to type in poor here. You can see that Norfolk Poor Law Union records come up at the top of that list. I'm going to click on Browse All Images, and at the top we can see Norfolk is highlighted. So if I click on Norfolk, it gives you all of the unions they have records available for. I'm going to select Loddon and Clavering, and then the Heckingham Workhouse, and there's various documents they have available. I'm going to click on the minute book. And there are 5,938 images for the minute books for the dates that are covered. So I'm just going to click a random one as an example, and we can zoom in, and we can see this is for 1771. So these are early ones, and we've got information about the supplies for the workhouse. And if I choose a later page, there we go. So this is now for 1845, and again you'd have to read through it. These aren't indexed, so you can't just type a name in and get all the information about your ancestor coming up. You'd have to go through to pick out those names.